In this short video, we will watch a large frame house travel gently to a new location. After being moved out onto the street, it will have to cross a small bridge and steer around a fairly sharp corner. Including all of the steel supporting it, the house weighs about 235 tons. In recent weeks, the WOLFE House Movers crew has installed steel beams under the house and blocked it up on heavy oak crib piles, which were then replaced with rolling power and coaster dollies. Each dolly can lift 45 tons. Today, we are ready for the excitement of the big move. We'll be traveling down Bethany Road and through a grassy field to a newly prepared site. Let's get started. We're ready to roll. Heavy steel plates are being laid down to protect the surface of the pavement as we prepare to go over the little bridge. If you follow the orange arrow, you can see that it points to a computer screen silhouetted against the sunrise. Hanging from one of the crossbeams, the Buckingham Smart Steer System computer will control the hydraulic steering of the dollies as they carry the large structure over the bridge and along the route. It's a beautiful summer day, and 200 or 300 curious spectators will be watching the move. Excited schoolchildren are enjoying their class trips, and other friends and neighbors relax in the outdoor delights of this last day of August. Because of some tall trees across the road, we will need to move over onto the shoulder, so more of the heavy steel plates are laid down to protect the grass. Where the passageway gets really narrow, the steel crossbeams will actually hang out over the white vinyl fence to the children's delight. At one point, the computer needs to be folded up to protect it and the fence from damage. Later, we'll be looking at the diesel power unit that pumps the hydraulic oil to drive and steer the dollies. Right now, as the house rolls over our heads, we can see some of the many hydraulic hoses that keep the wheels turning. A couple of young ladies run to catch up. Some smaller girls take photos. And everyone has plenty to talk about as the move progresses. After the steel plates are all in place, the house begins backing down a grade to its new site. The orange arrow points to the 173 horsepower diesel power unit, which will probably use less than $50 worth of diesel fuel to move this huge house so far. All of the machinery used in this move, the diesel power unit, the power and coaster dollies, the jacking shoring posts that hold up the porch, and the Smart Steer computer system that steers it all, was manufactured by Buckingham Structural Moving Equipment, which is a sister company to WOLFE House and Building Movers that supplies state-of-the-art machinery to the structure moving industry. The move is complete. In coming days, heavy oak crib piles will be stacked up again to support the house, and the dollies will be loaded up and hauled away. New basement walls will be poured, or blocks will be laid up to support the house, and all the steel beams and oak cribbing will be removed. The soil will be backfilled around the home, shrubbery and new lawn will flow around it, and most people passing by will have no idea that this house was originally built at a different location. If you need a house or heavy structure moved, or a large roof lifted, consider WOLFE House and Building Movers. They have lifted, moved, and transported private residences, huge commercial buildings, and metal and masonry fabrications of many various types, safely, professionally, within budget, and on time. Please visit our website for more information.